Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 7 math. You can find all the lessons on applestudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 7 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter unit of measurement. And the lessons we're going to cover today are compare and convert metric units, convert between customary and metric systems, precision, and then calculate Celsius and Fahrenheit temperatures. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well, right? Okay, here I'm on grade 7 math. Chapter we're on right now is unit of measurements. Let's just start with the lesson. So let's just start with the lesson that is compare and convert metric units. So the first one is which is more 4 centimeter or 4 millimeters. So you have to see which of them is more. So which is the correct option? The correct option is in 1 centimeter you have 10 millimeters. Centimeter is a bigger unit and millimeter is a smaller unit. So you cannot compare these two quantities until they are in the same units, right? So convert the 4 centimeter to 4 millimeter. So 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter, right? So then that means 4 times 10 equals 40. So 4 centimeter equals 40 millimeter. So which is more, 40 millimeter or uh, 41 millimeter? The correct option is option number. The correct option is 41 millimeter, right? Because 41 millimeter is more than 40 meters. So you cannot compare two quantities until they are in the same unit, right? So first you have to convert them in the same units and then you have to compare. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Oh, when 1 hectoliter or 67 liters. So you have to see which quantity is more, right? They are in the two different units. So you cannot compare them until they are in the same unit. So convert from hectoliters to liters. So how do we convert 1 hectoliter equal 100 liters? This is the basic conversion unit. 1 hectoliter is, you can note them down, equals 100 liters. So which is more? 67 liter is more or 100 liter is more? Obviously 100 liter is more, right? That means 1 hectoliter is more than 67 liters, right? The correct option is which is more? 1 hectoliter is more. Okay, the next one is, which is more, 9 liters or 9,000 milliliters? So 1 liter equal 1000 milliliters, right? You have 9 liter. The basic unit is 1 liter equal 9,000 milliliters, right? So then 9 liter equal 9,000 milliliters, and here you already have 9,000 milliliters. So that means they both are exactly equal. Which is more? Neither, they are equal. Correct option is they are equal. Okay, which is more, 6 millimeter or 1 centimeter? Which is the correct option? 1 centimeter equal 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter, right? So then obviously you are given 6 millimeters and 10 millimeters. So which is more? 1 centimeter is more, right? Because in 1 centimeter you have 10 millimeters. So 1 centimeter is more. The correct option is 1 centimeter. Okay, which is more, 1 kilometer or 13 meters? Which is the correct option? 1 kilometer equal 1000 meters, right? So which is more? 1 kilometer equal 1000 meters. So which is more? You have 13 meters here and 1000 meters here. So obviously 1000 meters is more, right? The correct option is 1 kilometer is more than 13 meters. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which is more, 1999 grams or 2 kilograms? So which is more? The correct option is 2 kilogram is more, right? Because in 2 kilogram you have 2000 gram, and 2000 grams are more than 1999 gram. Got it? So 2000 grams is more than 199 grams. Okay, which is more, 1 meter or 99 centimeter? The correct option is 1 meter is more, right? In 1 meter you have 100 centimeters, right? So the correct option is 1 meter. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is convert between customary and metric systems. So let's just start with the lesson. That is convert between metric customary and metric system. Okay, the first, let's just start with the example. 2 gallons is same as how many liters. You have to convert from gallons to liters, right? And you are given the hint 1 gallon equal 3.8 liters, right? So you have to see then 2 gallons you need to do 2 times 3.8. So 2 times 3.8 is 7.6 liters. So that means 2 gallons equals 7.6 liters. Okay, let's just start with the test question. One more thing, if you need help with any of the lesson, you can contact any are available through live chat button. So here is the live chat button. Just use this live chat button and tutors are available there to help you. So let's just start with the test questions, right? Okay, so 3 inches is same as how many centimeters? You need to calculate 3 inches to centimeters. So how do you calculate? You have to do 3 1 inch is equal to 2.5 centimeter, right? You just need to use this hint. You have 3 inches, so that you have to do 3 times 2.5. So 3 times 2.5 is 7.5. The correct option is 7.5 centimeter. The correct option is option number 2, that is 7.5. 2 gallons is same as how many liters? 1 gallon equal 3.8 liters. So which is the correct option? One gallon equal 3.8 liters, right? So for the 2 gallons, you need to calculate 2 times 3.8. So 2 times 3.8 is, yes, 7.6 liter it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. 4 kilograms is same as how many pounds? So which is the correct option? You have 1 kg equals 2.2 pounds, right? You have to calculate 4 kg. You have to do 4 times 2.2, right? So 4 times 2.2 is 8.8 pounds. Option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is option number 1, that is 8.8. 5 feet is how many meters? You have to convert from feet to meters, right? You are given the unit 1 feet equals 0.305 meters, right? So you have to calculate 5 feet. You have to do 5 times 0.305. The correct option is 1.5. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? That is 5 times 0.305. The correct option is 1.5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Six miles is same as how many kilometers? We are given the hint. Just use that hint. 1 mile equal 1.6 kilometer, right? You have to calculate 6 miles. So 6 times 1.6 is 9.6. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is 9.6. Option number 2 is the correct option. 6 centimeters is how many inches? You have to convert from centimeters to inches, right? You have to do you have to do 6 times 0.39. So which is the correct option? That is 2.3. Option number 2 is the correct option. 10 feet equal how many meters? You have to do 10 times 0.305. So the correct option is 3.1 because you need to round off the answer to the nearest 10. So the correct option is 3.1. Okay. You can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is the next lesson is precision. So let's just start with the next lesson. The what which measurement is more precise? So what is precision? Precision means how exact a measurement is. When the units are same, the measurement with more decimal places is more precise. So that means the measurement that has the more decimal places is more precise, right? For example, you are given 68 kilograms and 2.8 kilograms, right? 2.68 kilograms is just measured 2 kilograms, but 2.8 is measured to the tenth of a kilogram, right? So a tenth of a kilogram is smaller than 10 kilograms, right? The correct option is 2.8 kilograms, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Which measurement is more precise? What which measurement is more precise? You are given 74.23 and 58.8. The correct option is 74.23 is the correct option, right? Which measurement is more precise? 68 kilograms or 2.8 kilograms? The correct option is the one that has more decimal places is more precise, right? So the correct option is 2.8 because this one is measured to the tenth of the kilograms, right? Which measurement is more precise? 48 weeks and 90.29 weeks. The correct option is 90.29 weeks is more precise. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Which measurement is more precise? 14 teaspoons and 3.15 teaspoons, which is the correct option. The correct option is 3.15 teaspoons is more precise, right? The correct option is option number 2. The correct option is 72.51 minutes is more precise, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, and the next lesson is Celsius and Fahrenheit temperatures. Let's just start with the next lesson. What is the temperature of a warm grilled cheese sandwich? Choose the more reasonable answer. Okay, so these are the basic temperatures. 212 degree Fahrenheit, that is the temperature of boiling water, right? Or 100 degrees Celsius, you can say. Then 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, and the body temperature is the normal body temperature in Celsius is 37 degrees Celsius, right? So that means let's just start with the test questions. You're not given the options here, right? So without the options, it is very difficult to explain. Okay, now look at here. What is the temperature of a cold glass of water? 2 degree Fahrenheit or 2 degrees Celsius. So that is a cold glass of water, right? Then that means that would be 2 degrees Celsius. The correct option is 2 degrees Celsius. Because 2 degree Fahrenheit is too hot. What is the temperature of the hot bowl of soup? So now that is a hot bowl of soup, right? That means the correct option is 63 degrees Celsius. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Because 63 degree Fahrenheit is too cold, not boiling. What is the temperature of the bowl of an ice cream? Which is the correct option? Ice cream is 37 degree Fahrenheit is the correct option. What is the temperature inside a house? 66 degree Fahrenheit or 66 degree C? The correct option is 66 degree Celsius. 67 degree Fahrenheit. If Jim has a fever, what is his temperature? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 103 degree Fahrenheit. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the temperature of a cup of hot cocoa? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 69 degree Celsius. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the temperature of a warm grilled cheese sandwich? Which is the correct option? That is 53 degrees Celsius. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 7 math. The chapter we were working on is unit of measurement, and the lessons we have covered today are compare and convert metric units, convert between customary and metric units, precision and Celsius and Fahrenheit temperatures, right? So please make before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, right? So that's all for today. If you have any question, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please ask question if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.